Assalamualaikum friends, this is me from Mini Arts. I am 10 years old. Today I am using a useless cardboard box to make a useful thing. First I am cutting circles of cardboard. Now I am cleaning the room. Oops! My mama is helping me to make the circles equal. I am using white wood glue to stick them. That glue is more stronger than hot glue. I am spreading it evenly for a strong grip. Now I am covering it with pink soft chart. I am covering the sides of pink chart. Now, me and my mama are trying to fix the pipe piece in between both the circles. Oh,